Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt that your current hairstyle is dragging your features down instead of lifting them up? It is a common feeling for many women as they enter their 50s and beyond. The texture of our hair changes. It might become thinner or perhaps a bit more coarse and wiry due to gray strands. However, there is a secret weapon that stylists and beauty experts have been using for decades to instantly rejuvenate a look. That weapon is the chic short haircut. Many women are afraid of the big chop because they fear it might look masculine or severe, but we are here to tell you that the right short cut is actually the ultimate feminine power move. When you remove the heavy weight of long damaged hair, you instantly give your face a non-surgical lift. Your eyes look brighter, your cheekbones look more defined, and your neck looks longer and more elegant. In today's video, we are going to explore the most flattering chic short hairstyle ideas, specifically curated for women over 50. We will not just show you the cuts. We will explain exactly why they work, how to ask your stylist for them, and most importantly, how to style them at home so you look salon fresh every single day. From the modern textured pixie to the sophisticated French bob, we have covered every style to suit every face shape and hair texture. Are you ready to discover the haircut that will make you fall in love with your reflection all over again? Let us dive right in. Let us begin with the most transformative style of them all, which is the modern textured pixie cut. Often when women hear the word pixie, they immediately imagine a very short military-style cut that exposes too much scalp. That is not what we are talking about today. The modern pixie is soft and wispy and full of movement. Experts recommend this cut specifically for women over 50 because it acts as an optical illusion that lifts the entire face. As we age, gravity tends to pull our features downward. By keeping the volume high on the crown of the head and tapering the sides close to the head, you create a vertical line that draws the eye upward. This immediately makes you look taller and more confident. The key to making this look feminine and not harsh lies in the details around the ears and the neckline. You should ask your stylist to leave soft, wispy pieces around the ears rather than cutting a hard line. These soft tendrils soften the jawline and add a delicate touch. Additionally, consider incorporating a side-swept bang. A long fringe that sweeps across the forehead is fantastic for hiding forehead wrinkles while highlighting your eyes. If you have fine or thinning hair, a textured pixie is your best friend because the shorter layers support each other, creating natural volume that long hair simply cannot achieve. To style this at home, you do not need complex tools. Simply use a small amount of texturizing paste. Warm a pea-sized amount between your palms and work it through the ends of your dry hair to create definition. Do not plaster the hair down. Instead, use your fingers to lift the roots. This style is particularly stunning on women with silver or white hair as the texture catches the light beautifully, making your natural gray look like expensive platinum highlights. Have you ever considered going this short? If you are hesitant, remember that hair grows back, but the confidence you gain from this bold style is permanent. It creates a sense of freedom and significantly cuts down your morning routine, allowing you to focus on your skincare and makeup. If the pixie cut feels a little too daring for you, then the classic French bob is the perfect alternative that screams sophistication. This style is timeless and has been a favorite among stylish women for over a century. The magic of the French bob lies in its length. It typically ends right at the jawline or just slightly below the earlobe. Why is this length so critical for women over 50? It acts as a frame for your face. By ending the cut at the jawline, you create a strong visual line that helps to define the jaw and distract from any sagging skin or softness in the neck area. Unlike a standard bob, the French bob is often paired with bangs and has a slightly more relaxed and undone texture. We highly recommend asking for soft curtain bangs or wispy fringe with this cut. Bangs are incredibly youthful because they cover the forehead lines and draw immediate attention to your eyes. When styling, a bob, volume is everything. Flat hair can make the face look tired, so you want to ensure you are creating lift at the roots. A fantastic tip from professional stylists is to blow dry your hair upside down until it is about 80% dry. Then use a large round brush to smooth out the ends, creating a slight bend inward towards the face. This inward curve hugs the cheekbones and creates a beautiful contour effect. If you have naturally wavy hair, do not fight it. The French bob looks exceptionally chic with natural waves. Simply apply a lightweight mousse to damp hair and let it air dry, or use a diffuser attachment on your hairdryer. This creates that effortless Parisian look that implies you are stylish without trying too hard. Another variation to consider is the graduated bob, where the hair is slightly shorter in the back and longer in the front. This angle elongates the neck and provides a very slimming effect for rounder face shapes. It is important to keep this cut trimmed regularly, usually every 6 to 8 weeks, to maintain that sharp, clean line at the bottom. A ragged or grown-out bob can look messy, so commitment to maintenance is key here. However, the payoff is a look that is polished, professional, and incredibly youthful. For those of you who feel torn between the shortness of a pixie and the length of a bob, there is a fantastic hybrid style that has taken the beauty world by storm called the bixie. As the name suggests, it combines the best elements of both cuts. It has the textured layers and volume of a pixie, but keeps the length around the face and neck closer to a bob. This is an incredible option for women over 50, who want to retain some softness and coverage around the ears and neck, but still want the lifting effect of short hair. The bixie is all about shattering the traditional helmet head look that many older women fall victim to. Instead of a stiff, immobile hairstyle, the bixie utilizes shaggy layers to create movement and flow. This is particularly beneficial if your hair has thinned out over the years. The choppy layers create pockets of air within the hair, making it appear twice as thick as it actually is. Styling a bixie is incredibly fun and versatile. You can tuck the longer side pieces behind your ears for a neat, polished look, or use a texture spray to muss it up for a more playful and energetic vibe. We also want to discuss the importance of color with this specific cut. Because the bixie relies heavily on layers, it is the perfect canvas for dimensional hair color. If you are embracing your natural gray, ask your stylist to add some lowlights or darker tones underneath to make the silver on top pop. If you color your hair, adding lighter highlights around the face, specifically on the layered pieces, will illuminate your skin tone and make the texture of the haircut stand out. Do not be afraid of the word shag or messy. In the world of modern hair styling, messy equals youthful. A perfectly sprayed stiff hairdo can age you by 10 years instantly. A style that moves when you walk and has soft flying wisps creates an aura of vitality and energy. To maintain this look, you will want to invest in a good sea salt spray or a light texturizing spray. Simply mist it over dry hair and scrunch with your hands. It takes less than 2 minutes, but the result is a chic, effortless style that looks like you have your own personal styling team. Choosing the cut is only half the battle. The real secret to looking chic lies in how you maintain the health of your short hair. As we age, our hair loses natural oils and elasticity, making it prone to dryness and frizz. This is especially true if you have gray hair, which has a different texture than pigmented hair. Gray strands tend to be coarser and more wiry, which can make a short haircut look unruly if not properly cared for. To keep your short cut looking glossy and expensive, experts suggest swapping your regular conditioner for a deep hydration mask at least once a week. Look for ingredients like argan oil or keratin, which smooth the hair cuticle. Another professional secret is the use of purple shampoo for those with silver or blonde hair. Environmental factors like pollution and even the water in your shower can turn gray hair yellow or brassy over time. Using a purple toning shampoo once a week neutralizes these yellow tones and keeps your silver looking crisp and bright. Let us also talk about accessories, because with short hair your accessories become much more visible. This is the perfect time to showcase beautiful earrings. Since your hair is no longer hiding your ears, a pair of statement earrings or classic pearls can add a tremendous amount of elegance to your overall look. Headbands are also making a huge comeback and are a practical way to keep hair off your face while adding a pop of color or pattern to your outfit. Finally, do not underestimate the power of a good scalp massage. Since short hair requires more frequent trims to maintain the shape, you want to ensure your hair is growing strongly from the root. Massaging your scalp for a few minutes while washing stimulates blood flow and promotes healthier growth. Remember that short hair requires more frequent visits to the salon, typically every 4 to 6 weeks. View these visits not as a chore but as a necessary pampering session to keep your style sharp. A grown-out shortcut loses its lifting effect, so regular maintenance is non-negotiable for keeping that youthful chic appearance. We hope this guide has inspired you to embrace the freedom and elegance of a shorter hairstyle. Whether you choose the lifting power of a textured pixie, the timeless sophistication of a French bob, or the playful movement of a bixie, know that you are making a choice that celebrates your beauty at this stage of life. Remember, age is just a number, but a great haircut is an attitude. It tells the world that you are confident, stylish, and not afraid to reinvent yourself. Do not be afraid to save these ideas and show them to your stylist at your next appointment. Clear communication with your hairdresser is the best way to get the look you envision. We would love to hear from you. Which of these styles are you tempted to try? Or do you already rock a shortcut and have tips to share with our community? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion advice tailored specifically for you. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and we will see you in the next video.